little girl went inside the tumble dryer. Huh? What are you doing in there, Mrs.? That's not a play area. What are you doing there? Chica, you think I might? You're so silly. You think I might? You think I might, Mrs.? Hey, you think I might? Uh-oh, moves. You have to come out. What are you doing there? Who told you to go in there, Mrs.? Come on. Come on. Chica. Yeah, there's a tumble dryer. What are you doing in the tumble dryer, Mrs.? Huh? What are you doing in the tumble dryer? Is that nice there, yeah? Is it nice there? Is it? Silly Billy. Uh-oh, watch your head. Oh, how are you gonna come out now? Hi.